Cleansing your skin is the first essential step to caring for your skin, and it's not something that should be overlooked. It's very important that you clean your skin thoroughly in the morning because dirt and bacteria build up on your skin while you're in bed asleep at night. At the end of the day, of course, you need to remove traces of makeup that you may have been wearing, but also any dirt and oil and dead skin cells that build up throughout the day. Cleansing the eyes, we use our Options Eye Makeup Remover Lotion. This product contains chamomile, which is very soothing and decongesting, and it's perfect for that skin around the eyes. Just apply some of the product to a dry cotton pad and then thoroughly wipe the makeup clean. It's also very good for working on lipstick. Just be sure to not over rub that skin around the eyes because too much stretching can actually cause premature lines to develop. For cleansing the face, we use our Essential Makeup Removal Milk, which is good for your more dry, dehydrated and delicate and sensitive skins. And then we have our Balancing Makeup Removal Gel, which is ideal for the more oily and combination skins. Both of these products, all you need to do is to apply a couple of pumps into the hands and then just gently massage all over the face, neck and chest. And because they're both water soluble, you can either remove in the shower, or if you prefer, you can just use a nice soft cloth that's damp to remove all traces of impurities from the skin. When you're using water on the skin, just be sure to remember that you must tone the skin afterwards because chemicals that are in tap water can very much unbalance the pH level of the skin. So the toners that we recommend will be the Essential Toning Lotion, which is good for your normal, dry and delicate skins, and this uses hyaluronic acid, which really helps to retain moisture levels in the skin. We also have our Options Balancing Toning Lotion. This product is really good for more sort of oilier, thicker skins because it contains salicylic acid, and this will help to have like a daily exfoliating action. For both of these toners, you just need to apply a small amount of product into the hands and then you can literally just massage onto the face. It just saves product because otherwise if you put it into a cotton pad, you tend to use a lot more than you normally would. So you literally just need to splash it onto the skin. For those of you that prefer not to use water on the skin, maybe your skin's a bit more delicate and sensitive, we have our Micellar Water Gel. And this product, you can just put a couple of pumps onto a cotton pad and this will cleanse and tone the skin. So it's a 2-in-1 product, and this can be used on the eyes, the lips and the rest of the face and neck. And this product contains pre and probiotics, which are particularly useful in cases where you have a lot of sensitivity on the skin, and it really helps to rebalance the pH levels.